So guys, today I wanted to resolve the huge mystery of artificial intelligence. You know that the common applications of artificial intelligence is in face recognition, voice recognition, speech recognition, diction recognition, art recognition, etc. The big question is, how does an artificial intelligence, which is a neural network, just like us human beings, how does an artificial intelligence recognize a face, let's say? It works more or less like a human brain, but it works in a much more sophisticated manner. See, what the artificial intelligence does first is to take snaps of small patches of the face, a few pixels at a time, small patches of the face. And the first set of neurons in the neural network, a huge number of neurons, just like human brain, each one will be containing a small patch from the face of that particular individual. The second set of neurons would actually consolidate all the patches constituting the nose of the individual, let's say, the eyebrows of the individual. So this is consolidated. And it will also be matched with the image with which we are comparing this particular snap. See, for example, at the level of the second set of neurons, all the small patches from the nose of the individual who is being tested would be compared with the stock image or the person with whom we are comparing this image, and percentage match would be consolidated at the level 2 of the neurons. At the level 3, 1/4 of the face may be comprising of an eye, part of the cheek, part of the nose, part of the forehead, would be consolidated, and the consolidated score of the percentage match with the individual with whom this is being compared would be consolidated. And at the final level, the whole face, percentage match with the individual. If the percentage match, we will define a cutoff. The percentage match is, let's say, 90%. We can probably be sure that it's the same individual. Or we can define, depending on the clarity of the picture, depending on the angle of the picture, we can define the percentage match which would determine the identity of the particular individual. Now we'll take a look at a neural network. Okay, what you see in picture are the neurons in the neural network. The first set of small neurons that you see actually contains pictures of patches of that person's face. At the next level, the second level, so you can see that each neuron is connected with every other neuron at the next level. So the top neuron at level 2 actually collects and compiles the patches which comprise of the nose of the individual. The second neuron may be combining the eyes, etc. So at that level, we can get a percentage match of the nose of this individual with that of the individual who is being tested. At level 3, you can see again every neuron is connected to every other succeeding neuron. 1/4 of the face of the picture is being compared with that of the individual being tested, and we get the consolidated score. At the next level, the final level, we have 3 different individuals who are suspected. So we can get a match up to what percentage match is there for this particular photograph with the 3 suspected individuals. So at the top, if you have, let's say, George, second one is John, third one is David, the final output would be John 70%, George 50%, David 20%. So obviously the culprit is none other than John. So this is how a neural network works. It simply works just like human brain, but in a much more sophisticated manner. So that's the intro to neural networks to you.